How to make a container garden. Container gardening is perfect for those in urban areas and for anyone wanting to garden with ease. By planting a container garden with mint and stevia, you will be able to enjoy tea anytime you want. Mint leaves and sweetener are the only items needed to make this fresh garden mint tea, so this could not be easier. Growing stevia enables you to avoid adding sugar to your tea and sweetens it naturally. Just steep the stevia leaves with your mint leaves and your tea is ready to enjoy. Things you will need: large container, stones for drainage, potting soil, fertilizer, plants mint and stevia, water. Step 1. Choose a container that is large enough to accommodate the size of the mint and stevia you are planting. Roots need plenty of room to grow so the plant has a sturdy base. Step 2. Fill the bottom of the container with a few inches of stone so the soil is able to drain away excess water. This prevents the water from overpowering the roots. Tip: make sure to choose a container with a hole in the bottom to allow for water drainage. Step 3. Fill container the rest of the way with potting soil. Potting soil is lighter than topsoil and is formulated to drain well in containers. Step 4. Sprinkle fertilizer on the top 2 inches of potting soil and work in slightly with hands. Potting soil needs a fertilizer since it does not have the nutrients of earthbound soil. Step 5. Choose mint varieties that you enjoy. It is nice to have at least 2 types of tea for different options, or you can mix the leaves together when making the tea. Add a stevia plant which can be steeped with the tea and used in place of sugar. Plant the mint and stevia by lightly breaking apart the roots of the plants and pushing the soil around them for stability. Step 6. Place the container in a sunny spot. Water is needed and watch the plants grow. Soon you will be enjoying fresh mint tea.